Hello friends, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates for you regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So now we are going to in details. This is DIT University current opening academic. You can see that there is opening in opening for assistant professor, associate professor, structural engineering in civil department. Experience minimum 2 years. A school of engineering civil department PhD holder shall be preferred. Educational qualification this is given. Means if you have MTech degree and with good qualification with good teaching experience, then you can apply in that. Or if you have PhD and lesser experience, then also you will get preference in that. Now there is assistant professor opening in assistant professor psychology department. In this also there is minimum requirement that is teaching experience 2 year, and in this also PhD holder shall be preferred. Third vacancy is assistant professor mathematics. In that also experience minimum required is 2 years. Mathematics, applied science, mathematics, PhD in mathematics or statistics or related domain shall be preferred. We can go in detail. Here you can see that job description: applied science, mathematics, PhD in mathematics, statistics or related domain, a master in mathematics, statistics plus graduation in any stream. Minimum 2 years of experience of teaching or industry research organization, professional and managerial level, excluding the period spent on obtaining the research degree. मतलब उसे छोड़ के आपका 2 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम चाहिए. और जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है वो इस वाली ईमेल आईडी पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, career@dituniversity.edu.in. एंड बैक जाते हैं और बाकी का वैकेंसी के लिए देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वैकेंसी आपका डीन के लिए, रिसर्च एंड कंसल्टेंसी. इन दैट देयर इज मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इज 15 years. Job description is also given. You can go in that in detail by clicking on that. Here is all detail is given. Job description. Consistent and good academic record with PhD degree mandatory, having minimum 15 year academic experience, will be overall in charge for research and consultancy grant, sponsored research, strengthening innovative practices, funding, etc. And next vacancy is for professor. In that there is minimum requirement of 10 years and opening in computer science, civil, petroleum, information technology. And also in that since this is vacancy of professor, so PhD is must for that. Here you can say that engineer, there is a vacancy in engineering also, management also, architecture and design also, pharmacy, humanity and social sciences and applied science. So vacancy in approx all department. PhD mandatory at professor level. Educational qualification as prescribed by respective council and UGC. Minimum 10 years of experience of teaching, industry or research organization. Minimum 15 research paper published in refer index journal of high impact factor. Author of book, monograph or report. In addition to above, they should have experience of guiding project work, dissertation of PG research student or supervising R&D projects in industry. Should have good leadership quality, and they should have the capacity to undertake or lead a sponsored R&D project, consultancy and etc. You can mail your resume on career@dituniversity.edu.in. Next vacancy is for associate professor department academic, minimum 8 years. In that we going in detail. That is vacancy in engineering management, faculty of architecture design, pharmacy, humanity and social sciences, applied sciences. PhD mandatory for this post also, associate professor. In that the minimum requirement is 8 years of experience in teaching industry or research organization, obtaining with post PhD experience of 5 years and minimum 3 years of experience as an assistant professor in annual grade pay of 8,000. Minimum 10 research paper required. Author of book, monograph, reports. Candidate with administrative experience and passion may be considered for the position of HOD. Interested candidate should send your CV career@diituniversity.edu.in. I will upload the link on description. You can go from there. And next vacancy is for assistant professor. In that, the minimum requirement is 2 years, and the department which has vacancy will be going detail. There is a vacancy in all: engineering, management, faculty of architecture, design, pharmacy, humanity and social sciences, applied sciences. In that, PhD holder will be preferred. Minimum educational qualification as prescribed by respective council or UGC. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. 2 research paper published in peer reviewed journals that will be required, and if you have more than that, then you get preference in among all the candidates. You also send your CV to same email ID, career@diituniversity.edu.in. So there is vacancy in approx all departments, so you have good chance to apply there. And this is a good university. You can check the ranking in MHRD and NIRF ranking of 2020. सो इफ़ आपको यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना और